This morning we're on the way to the famous Kuang-Si Falls. They're about 25 kilometers outside of town, so we've hired this ped, but we just had to stop halfway to the falls because some of the views, especially because it's rained this morning, it's cloudy, are absolutely outrageous. Chai. So we made it. We're here at the Kuang-Si Falls, and if you hadn't guessed, it's raining quite a lot. It's about 10:30. We wanted to get here for 8 when it opened, but it was raining, and then whilst it stopped, that's when we got the scooter to the falls. It's 25,000 kip a person to get in, so again, another gesture, really cheap. And then you get an electric buggy to the base of the falls. This is it. The main Kuang-Si Waterfalls. It's looking rather angry this morning with all the rain, to be expected, but it is pretty spectacular. So I've seen many photos online of these waterfalls and wondered why the water wasn't as blue, and then it hit me, we've still come in the back end of rainy season in Laos, so of course the waterfall is going to be a lot more active. Some of the videos I've seen online, it's just trickling down the waterfall and everything is nice and golden blue, but obviously because there's been a lot more rain, there's going to be a lot more water. Funny that. So if you ever take the trek to go above the waterfall to see what it looks like over the top, if it's rained, just be really careful. It's literally a mud bath, and it's very slippery. And here you are, right over the top of the waterfall. I'm blown away by these lagoons at the top. They're so beautiful.
This is the bit he doesn't want you to see, him having to wash his muddy feet. Found a dog. He's having a photo shoot. Oh, he's eating. Getting a good angle. The dog calms Matt and Matt's calm the lady. Everyone's a winner.
It's a shame they're not turquoise blue, just like you see in all the Instagram photos, but it is just too rainy. Therefore, there is just too much of a torrent flowing through the waterfalls. There is full-blown Asian ladies have just dived right in, and it is freezing, and I look like the skinny white boy that can't get lower than his knees. Look at them. Oh. I think we've gone the wrong way when we first entered the waterfalls. Because it was raining, we just stormed on. As we've come down, back down the waterfall, not only obviously as the waterfall got smaller and smaller, we've come to this little bear sanctuary where they've got a number of bears that they're freed from captivity, which is really nice. Maybe we have just missed the turning for the start of the trek up, and we've done it in reverse. Don't worry, we clearly missed the sign. That was our fault. Definitely a good time to be leaving. The waterfalls have started to get packed full of tourists, and there's a lot more coming in, obviously because of the rain this morning. Everyone is heading up now. It's become sunny, so good call from us to go when we did. One place you have to come to if you're going to or from the Kuang-Si Waterfalls is the Sam Na Cafe restaurant. It is a cafe bar that's located in the middle of a load of rice paddies. You can get coffees, you can get alcohol, you can get some local delicacies, some fried rice.